We're gonna roast Finn, and Finn roasting Zong playing hide and seek, and hide and seek uploading. Alright, but let's make these jokes.
Today we're gonna be playing extreme hide and seek because you can only hide in one color.
Like I roast Finn, she roasting Zong. So
that just sounds fucking stupid.
well, that sounds like a stupid, but you don't add the F word. Like this, well, that's so stupid.
My name is Topper, and I hope I get a good color. Oh, come on!
Topper Gilly, Topper Gasoline. Wait, Topper's not Zong group. Bruh, are you calling Zong friends? I don't know, but I'm gonna call him Zong friends.
He's here too. Hi, I'm Zong's dad.
Like, how Topper's in here? I saw Topper, a friend, Vash Remy, but what?
I wonder what color I'm gonna get.
Well, Zongy ZZZ, Dad.
Whoa, pink!
Wait, did you make a mountain dog? Boing, 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 boing. Bounceline, gasoline. I'm roasting Zong and will send both of them. Send Zong. I hope I get one roast of Finn.
Motherfucker looks like Filthy Frank. All right, people, what's up?
Bro, you look like a purple cat. Look like a Buddy Raspberry, but she has some cats purple. Look at her video.
Hey, I found Zong's.
Oh, 800 and 900. Bro, how about 100? Like 100 3 zeros and 1. Bro.
Biggest challenge ever. If you think
Biggest challenge ever. You look like Freddy Fazbear with a purple guy with a cat have a suit and have a white eyes with no badges.
they did a hide and seek video
Oh,
with
you from Ohio? You a cat, Ohio?
50 invisible cameramen, then yeah, you're fucking delusional.
Today we're gonna be playing extreme hide and seek because you can only hide in one color. And the seekers will have to face their biggest fear by playing with the scariest animal while
That's not scary animal. It's a dog or a goat. Man, it got a mask on it. It looked like a mask.
the hiders are hiding.
Wait a minute, so you're calling that a scary animal? Audience, I could be terribly wrong, but tell me that's not a goat. And also, you call that hiding Topper. What the fuck are you doing?
Topper is right.
Motherfucker thinks he's the green screen man in the editor.
Finn is right. What? Why Topper T-posing in the tree? Bro, are you T-posing? T-pose.
We'll take him out the video. Topper, I'm sorry, but this video is not entirely fake like your videos. I don't think.
I'm sorry, Finn, but your videos always simping on people, and your videos always simp. Like, what is this? Why does she have boob? Bomb. Why does it have bomb? 2 bombs. Bro, are you sussy baka? Losing? Are you simping? Are you look at
I
this?
think the green screen effect is gonna work this time.
So who wanna be the seeker?
Is this simping? Is this simp? Or this is simp? This is simp. Where is it? In here. Is that simping on you? Or this is simp? Bro, Mika, why are all the videos drawing? Like, can you cut off like your face in here and someone real life in here. Not these sussy. Yeah, that boy's kind of cool, Jolie, but not these girls. Oh, you sussy bak. So I already watched this, but why Zong have a red shirt and a red shirt and she turned red? Look, she already have red. Look, red shirt.
My name is Song. I wonder what color I'm gonna get. Ah!
Red shirt. What?
I got red. Let's go. Hi, my name.
Bro! Just say, okay, I'm ready, red.
Miss Topper, shut the f*** up. And I hope I get a...
Get the... What do you mean?
good color. Oh!
Not loud! It's not loud. This volume is loud. No!
Green, let's go!
Like green is actually...
You literally look like the great value Tobuscus.
Hi, I'm Song.
And you look like some of the cat videos. We love the Smith cat. Yes, blue Smith cat. You look like that. If you have no mushroom in your head and no pants, what? You look like and she's purple. You look like a Smith cat. Bro!
God, I wonder what color I'm gonna get. Whoa!
Boing, 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 boing.
What the heck am I gonna hide it?
If I got pink, I would hide in your mother.
Hi, my name is Rand. I hope
What
I get a good
is
color this time.
it?
Oh, blue. That's my favorite color. My name is Nick. Let's see what color I get. Oh, yellow. Oh, man. Hi, my name is Moon.
Shut the f*** up, you pixie. I swear this guy is so annoying. He is literally the worst one out of the Zong crew. And not to mention, this guy has the...
You're the worst. You're the worst. You look like a picnic eye. We have an eye like a yellow mustard. You got burned. You got burned like a yellow mustard. Till you get a sun. You look like the sun don't have any stars. Don't have any circle. Or, I don't know. I mean, not the circle, but the triangle. Yeah, I forgot the triangle was. Like one. Like what? No triangle. And then you put a black hole. Destroying the little circle sun. Bro, you got some purple head.
shittiest outfit known to man. Like, what?
Tomato? Is that tomato?
I swear this guy is so annoying. He is literally the worst one out of the Zong crew. And not to mention, this guy has the shittiest outfit known to man. Like, what the fuck happened? Did you roll out of bed in that shit?
I wonder what color I'm gonna get. Yo, I got brown. Yo, I look like...
Yeah, and so does your entire fucking YouTube channel.
By the way, Kat, if you can find them within the next hour, they will have to face their biggest fears.
Oh, easy! All right, boys, you have 10 minutes to hide. Good luck!
No.
I always knew Topper and Nick loved each other like that. Like, seriously, when is there not a video when these two dudes are touching each other's...
There's bathroom. What? Like, okay. With a G, with an A, with a Y. No saying. I'm not gonna say that.
Nice one. Oh, wait, no.
Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
Let's go trampoline first. It's important. This way. Come on, Lou. Come on. All right, Dad. Let's go. This way. Go.
While they're hiding, let's go play with the scary animals.
Kat, you know, I could be a real scary... Okay, I'll fucking stop.
First animal is a goat.
Oh, I was wrong.
You're right. May as well replace that with the word riff. I know,
No, it's not riff. You ought to go. Because why? Because goats go. Some guys can kill goats. So you a goat. I am a salad. Well, my character look like I'm a salad and bald. That's true, I am bald. And my character have a white circle. Don't say that. I swear to God, if you say something gross, I'm gonna kill you for the night before you comes in the nuts. Nuts before I'm done with the nuts. So I'm gonna put in my collection nuts and that's it. And in.
No, I'm so fucking funny. Please subscribe.
Yeah, the word is N. The word.
Oh, it's a goat. No.
The world is a goat. The world is a goat. The world full of goat.
Oh no! This is the scariest thing ever!
Bro, it look like poop. It look like poop. No cap. What is this? You're holding a poop?
Don't eat me, please!
No.
Okay, in all
What are you, a ghost?
seriousness, though, what the fuck are you doing? Like, cat, it's a fucking goat. Calm down.
Cat is not a goat, it's a ghost. It's a ghost. Bro, you're gonna be eating with cat. Oh, cats is a human. Bro, show us her real. Actually, she would show us her real face. What the heck? Wait, why you look like a monkey jumping on the balcony?
Oh my god. You see, audience, this is what happens when two brain cells escape the fucking orphanage. I swear they could play hide and seek with Helen Keller and they'll still fucking lose. Helen Keller in hide and seek would be like, oh, there they are. Okay,
Bro, how? She's blind. Bro, are you serious? What? Is she living on the dope? She is capping around. No slap. Why are you putting these pictures all over your round? First, it was the bathroom. Bro, I don't know. Why did you talking about bathroom? But that's why it's a girl. I told you that Finn is gay. And I said a little bad word. If I say that, I'll go to hell. I go hell. I say Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go. Like, I knew it's a simp. Finn is a simp. And can you stop putting these grandma pictures, everything?
Be careful, Bill. Kids, do not try this at home. Wait, does this work?
Kids do not try this in home.
I kind of look like a monkey.
No, inside, not in home.
The reason I'm thinking of right now. YouTube.
It will look like a monkey. It look like a screaming girl. Or a cat.
Don't strike me because I have intrusive thoughts, okay?
Oh, she's red. She's red. Give me that.
Bro, how are you gonna fit? What? Are you think a mouse? Are you a mouse? Are you a mouse? Or a cockroach? Yeah. Bro, what are you thinking of? There's 0 IQ, Diaz.
How's this? I don't know. That doesn't look very good to me. Is this not good? I can see you still. Okay, I gotta find somewhere else.
Yeah, no, Zong, that was fucking stupid. There's literally so many places you